2017 Subaru WRX. Got a nice wrap on it, half and half. You decide which half you like. Which half do you like? I like the camel half. It looks a lot better. Anyways, it's got an NVIDIA high flow cat up there somewhere, in there. And then an NVIDIA 3-inch system all the way back. 3-inch resonator. Then 3-inch into 2 1/4 Y pipe, still NVIDIA. And then we did a muffler delete. That's the original NVIDIA system that was on it. He just wants it louder, and then when he goes on trips, he'll make it quieter and putting the NVIDIA on. There and there into quad burnt tips. Right here and right there. They look really good. There's NVIDIA mufflers that we took off, axle backs. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. You can hear that turbo spool up, baby. Oh, it sounds so good. Sound decibels? 109. Go ahead and back it up. Camo or normal? Normal or camo? You decide. Leave it in the comments. Should he finish it in camo or leave it half and half? What do you guys think? I think he should camo it all the way out. And that's his Instagram, project _ Coco _ So if you guys want to follow him, he's a racer. He's growing slowly, but fast at the same time. There it is. Let you guys hear it. Go ahead. I like it. Project Coco. K-O-K-O. One more. Let you guys hear on the inside. So he's gonna do launch control and make it scream. Let's see how she sounds. This is the owner of the car, by the way, guys. I like the lights too. Nice. All right. Show me what's this. When you leave, show us what this thing's got. Go ahead, man. Enjoy it, bro. Thank you. Subaru WRX.